Take control of your scrolling experience and decide if videos on your Facebook feed play automatically. First, open your Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This is typically in the bottom right corner on iOS or the top right corner on Android. In the menu, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy to access deeper settings. Within Settings and Privacy, tap on the Settings option. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Media and Contacts section and tap on Media. Under the Media settings, you'll find the Autoplay section with 3 choices on mobile data and Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi only, or never autoplay videos. Choose the option that best suits your preferences and data usage. Select on mobile data and Wi-Fi for automatic playback on any connection, on Wi-Fi only to save mobile data, or never autoplay videos to manually start playback for all videos. You've now successfully configured your Facebook video autoplay settings. Enjoy a more controlled and personalized Facebook feed experience.